This is how you set up the payment methods in Klarna app. Download the Klarna app. If you haven't already, then tap on it, and after you sign in, this should be your home screen. Here you will see many options. Simply tap on the add option on the middle of your screen, and here Klarna app will give you two options: to add other cards or to add a phone number, a loyalty card connected with your phone number. Then tap on the preferred option according to your needs. Then tap on it. Here I have tapped to scan my other card, and if you don't want to scan, you can enter manually. And after you tap in add manually and store name, then tap on add button right here. And after you do this, Klarna will set up the payment method if your information is valid. Thank you so much for watching, and this is how you can set up the payment methods in Klarna app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you.